Hello, I'm Steve with TUD, and today I'm going to unbox my brand new Kickass solar panels. So let's check it out. What we got here is the box, obviously the panels, and we got this. So I've got two cartons. They weigh a bit, but we got them. This I'm pretty sure is a 10 metre cable with two Anderson plugs on it, so we'll look at that later. Because let's face it, the panels are the part we're interested in. Now these are Kickass's 250 watt folding, supposedly super lightweight solar panels. So 250 watts. The reason I bought these is pretty simple. I haven't got enough power to run that big fridge. It's maybe in the foreground, maybe not, in my camper trailer for more than 48 hours. We're using a 120 watt solar panel. So this box is beautifully taped up. It looks like there's no way in the world there could be any damage happen to these. But I've got no idea of the best way to open it, so we're just going to fiddle around and see what we see. It looks like if I just chop away, I know it's all stapled there, so we'll just pull it out through here, I think. That's a pretty decent box. That part we don't need, obviously. And there they are, nicely wrapped up. Beautiful bit of plastic. So, well protected. Now, I've heard nothing but good things about this company, but I've had no real life experience with it. So I ordered these, just from what I was told, and they arrived pretty quick, less than a week from the time I ordered them to the time I got them. So you've got to be happy with that. I have no idea what's in all of this, so we'll open up the bag. In that pocket there, looks like a shoulder strap. That looks like a bag for something, we don't know what that is. That sounds like the tent pegs. Yep. Pegs are for pegging it down in windy environments, from what I've led to believe. Nothing else in there. Pretty decent quality material on this bag. And I know from the advertising blurb that these zippers are YKK zips, so they're supposed to be pretty good. Now that's just an over bag. So we just take this out here. Lift, or try to lift. So the panels are supposed to be light. They feel pretty heavy. Maybe I'm just being a sook, I don't know. Anyway, what makes them heavy? In the bag, there's all your legs for pegging them out. I'll work that out shortly. We'll just put this the other way for now. I'll probably need that again in a moment, but all sorts of straps. That looks like the panel there. I'll get rid of this crap because I have a feeling I'm going to need a lot of space. So, cool Velcro gadget there. And there they are. Rather big. So big in fact that I may not have room to show you these in this environment. But what I'll do is I'll do a bit of jiggery pokery and see if I can't stand them up like this. I tell you in the instructional video that when you're setting them up, this is basically what you do. Put them like that, and that makes you place the legs. What I've also discovered is these are completely upside down because of the way I've chosen to unpack them. So I'll just quickly do this. Probably not the right way, but that'll do. And now they're up the right way. So they look very high quality. The back of them's very good material. they're pretty snazzy. Now, in order to make these things sit up, I'll need these legs that I've hidden over here again. And you won't be able to see this for a second, but we'll get to that in a minute. These are the whiz bang Stano legs. You can't see. That's one there. So we shall spin the panel around because the camera is not going to see the back of it unless you do. So hopefully you can see this part of this panel. Can we see this part of this panel? Camera girl says we can. And unfortunately for you people at home, you can't see the camera girl, but I can tell you, she's a stunner. Right, now, I've seen this on the instruction video and nowhere else. But yeah, you find a way, pop this in here. Now, I guess because these are brand new, things are going to be a little bit stiff, a little bit difficult, but I'm guessing the theory is you pull that tab up like I didn't do on the first side, slide that in, there's your leg. Now what I won't do is go through the whole process of all of these, but what you've got underneath here is that there, that's a strap, that comes back like this, and you can adjust that to whatever angle you need. If the box wasn't in my way, life would be easier, but I did that, so no one to blame but myself. So just for the purposes of demonstration, these panels are folded up well and truly incorrectly. There's your strap, that all holds like that. That's obviously set fairly low in standard form, but you can adjust that the length you want it to be to get it on the angle you like. So that's her like that. Now there's 5 of these obviously when they're folded out, but I haven't got enough bench space to do this. I could go outside and show you, but I think you get the idea. They look pretty cool. Good material, nice Suntech solar panel. No, it's not Suntech, Sunpair I think they are. Correct me if I'm wrong later. And I probably am. But that's the guts of it. The rest of it's all going to be exactly the same right through the other 4 panels. Put all the legs in place, get the adjustment worked out, plug the lead in, and Bob's your auntie's living boyfriend. So I won't go through all that and bore everybody witless with it, because what's the point? Now to pack them up again, I'll just do this, and you fold them from the opposite end of the flap that I'm holding in my hand here. You just fold them like that, just keep going over and over and over until they get to the end. And do the flap back up onto that whiz bang bit of Velcro. I have no idea what is in here. Aha, of course. That is the end of the Anderson plug that actually plugs the panel in. I chose not to buy the panels with a solar regulator, but if you had the regulator, that's what one of those bags would be for, to put it in, plug it in there, keep it in that bit, and away you go. So, not much more to see about that at the moment. I might do a review of them later on down the track when I've actually given them some use. But that's pretty well the Kickass solar panel as it comes. Now I'm pretty sure there's not going to be anything too special to see here, because it should be a 10 metre accessory lead. This is just an Anderson to an Anderson. I'm hoping it's 8 gauge cable. I really don't know what gauge it is. They said they only sell one size cable. with these big panels. Certainly looks pretty bloody thick. I have no idea why there's two of them. I'm pretty sure I only ordered one. That's a bonus, I suppose. So, if it's not 8 gauge, it's pretty close to it. But it's the right size cable to suit the panel anyway, apparently. So, 10 metre Anderson extension. Maybe they do 2 5 metres, I don't know. I'm guessing that would be the case. Otherwise, why would there be 2 of them? Straightforward Anderson fit. 2 5s is probably a better idea when you think of it. Anyway, for now, I can't see any reason to show you any more than that, because we know how an Anderson plug plugs into the back of the panel. We're not that silly. Down the track, when I get them set up in the camper or near the camper, then you can see them all in action. That pretty well covers it. Cheers.